I'm going to make this really easy for you, Kyle. If you don't want to be here, I don't want you here. I'd rather do it on my own.
Okay. Look, obviously I wasn't stoked when I found out you were pregnant, but it's our baby. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. But I also think we have options, right? So I'm really interested to know what you want to do.
I'd really like to keep the baby. What do you think about that?
Sure. This wasn't supposed to happen though, right? Like, you know that. You know, I really believe that we did everything right.
We did.
Yeah?
Sometimes things go wrong.
Yeah. And now I'm going to be a dad.